In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can set up MyFunded Futures with TradingView, and the best part, it's absolutely free. However, if you do make this one mistake, you could get an error message like this, and you want to stay tuned to the end because I'm gonna show you guys how you can win free MyFunded Futures accounts from this video. Before we set up MyFunded Futures with TradingView, step number one, we have to first have a MyFunded Futures account. Now, MyFunded Futures has several accounts. They have the Builder plan, the Flex plan, the Rapid plan, and the Pro plan. I currently have 3 of the Rapid plans, and yes, they are already funded. However, if you're just getting started, the 25K accounts are a much cheaper option. Right now, you can get the Flex plan for $57, or you can go ahead and get the Rapid plan for only $65. And one of the benefits of the Rapid plan, you have the potential for daily payouts. If you guys want to check it out, use the link in the description box down below. Use promo code Mike. Now, step number 2, let's go over and look over at TradingView and look at the pricing page. When you first look, you're going to see 4 different options: Essential plan, the Plus plan, and the Premium plan, along with the Ultimate plan. Now, I know I said in the beginning it would be absolutely free, and it actually is, but these are the paid tiers. If we actually scroll down here just a wee little bit, we can see there's also a basic plan. Now, the basic plan is absolutely free. If we click on this button right here where it says show all features, and then we scroll right down here where it says trading, and notice there's a check mark, trade through selected brokers, simulated paper trading, chart trading, and depth of market, or the DOM. So therefore, the basic plan will meet our needs, allowing us to trade our MyFunded Futures account on TradingView for absolutely free. Well, at least the TradingView part will be free. You still got to purchase the MyFunded Futures account. Now, this next step is you want to go over to MyFunded Futures and you need to log into the back end because we're going to need to get some credentials. But something I also want to mention with you guys real quick, if you look on this left-hand side under platforms, you can simply click over there and you can see that MyFunded Futures offers several platforms. We have TradingView, which I'm going to show you guys how to connect here in a few moments. We have Tradovate, we have NinjaTrader, we have Ventivo, we have Deep Chart, Volumetric Trading, Ataz, and Quant Tower are all platforms that are able to be trading with your MyFunded Futures accounts. So as we go back over here to the stats page, right here under credentials, you want to simply click right there. Now, once you went ahead and selected it, we are going to see our username and password. We need to go ahead and keep this screen up. The next step is we need to go right over here to Tradovate.com. It'll bring us to a page right here. Now, right here under the login page, we need to go ahead and enter in some key information. It's going to bring us to a page just like this. And from that page, this is where we need to go ahead and enter in our username and password. We simply click log in. Now, once you went ahead and enter the information, you're going to be met with this screen right here. Market data subscription clarification. Most of us are going to be non-professional. You need to go ahead and read it. Go ahead and select next. And then we want to go ahead and check these 2 boxes. I have read the agreements. Go ahead and sign your names. And once all of that is completed, you're now going to go ahead and be brought to a screen that says download uniform subscription agreement. And you can either download it now or just simply close it out. Now, after that screen, you are going to be met with this right here. You want to go ahead and scroll all the way down because you need to go ahead and make sure you go ahead and select cookies, which will be at the bottom of the screen. Then you go ahead and click OK. And then it's going to bring you right up here to where it says access simulation. From that point on, you can click right there and you can be ready to trade. So now that we got Tradovate all set up, how do we go ahead and also now connect over here to the TradingView platform? Well, once you already created that free basic account, you go over to TradingView and right up here in the top of the screen, you'll see right here where it says trade. We simply click right there. We now have to look for our selected broker like we talked about in the basic plan. So as we scroll through here, do we see anything about MyFunded Futures? First glance, you're probably saying no, but remember when we signed up with MyFunded Futures, we also have an account with Tradovate, which we need that login and password. So right here, what we want to do is we want to simply click on Tradovate. Now from here, we do not want to click live. We want to click demo, click connect. Now, once we go ahead and connect, this is where we want to use those same credentials that we access in the back end of the MyFunded Futures dashboard. So we want to go ahead and copy our username, copy our password. And if when you do that, you're met with this error message right here. I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and fix that error message. And the error message says something about failed to log into TradingView has not been entitled to access your account. Please log into the client dashboard, then select add-ons to grant permissions. What that means is we want to go ahead and go over to Tradovate, and then in the top right-hand corner of your screen, then right up here in the top right-hand corner of your screen, it says application settings. Click right there. Then on the different tabs on the top, you want to go ahead and select add-ons. Now, when you go ahead and select add-ons, right here where it says TradingView, you can see mine is already selected. And if it's not selected, it'd be something like this where you just simply click activate. Then you'll go ahead and have access to that feature. That will get rid of that message. Go back into TradingView, input your username, input your password, and then everything should work just fine. Now, before I show you guys how you can win a free My Fun and Futures account, once you guys know, you can go to propfirmmike.com and we can always sort by the prop firms and the prop firm challenges. For instance, right here, I have it under challenges. We'll go to the $25,000 account size. Then what we always want to do is sort by true cost. So simply double click on true cost and it'll sort from the cheapest to the most expensive. You can see that My Fun and Futures is well positioned where you can get that flex account for $57. However, if you do want daily payouts, that is going to cost us $65. And if you want to learn about the rules, you can always go ahead and select the prop firm. In this case, My Fun and Futures. You can see all the different accounts they offer. But scroll down to the bottom. You can learn about the evaluation guidelines, hard breach rules, and the funded rules in one simple location. Again, the website is propfirmmike.com. Now, if you want a chance to win a My Fun and Futures account, there's going to be 2 steps that you need to take. First, go down to the description box down below where it says giveaway sign up. Make sure you're signed up to the email list down below. And it's going to be very important to include your YouTube username that you use on this channel when you leave a comment. Then leave any comment that you choose and include the first 3 letters of your email address. And I'll be picking a few winners from this video to receive a free My Fun and Futures account. Now, if you'd like to learn the truth about My Fun and Futures payouts, then you want to make sure you watch this next video right here.